Imagine turning stunning AI visuals crafted with tools like Stable Diffusion into a thriving income stream. Let's dive into how. First, explore online marketplaces. Etsy is great for unique prints, Redbubble for merchandise, and dedicated AI art platforms connect you directly with AI art enthusiasts. Research each platform's fees and audience to find the best fit. Next, understand licensing. Creative Commons might work for free use with attribution, but commercial licenses let buyers use your art for profit, significantly increasing its value. Services offer options for selling rights to your images. Now, let's talk products. Don't just sell digital files. Think art prints, phone cases, mugs, shirts. Diversify your offerings. Print-on-demand services integrate seamlessly with marketplaces, handling production and shipping for you. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords. Research what people are searching for related to your art style, such as abstract art or fantasy landscapes. Use these keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility. Finally, promote your work. Share your creations on social media platforms. Engage with potential buyers and build a community around your art. Run targeted ads to reach specific audiences interested in generated content.